What's up? Eric MFG here, and tonight we have cookies again. More Pillsbury soft-baked cookies. Cinnamon Toast Crunch. Let's go. We're going right in. Smells like cinnamon. Whether that's Cinnamon Toast Crunch remains to be seen. So we just had the Lucky Charms cookies. They're alright. I gave them 7 out of 10. Like I said, these Pillsbury cookies, very hit or miss. Some are good, some are bad, some are just odd tasting. A lot of them have a weird aftertaste, but I don't know. We'll see. I'm kind of interested in these. Cinnamon flavors are pretty decent. So, let's see what we got here. Looks like some cinnamon candies in there. Smells like cinnamon too. They could have just called these cinnamon soft-baked cookies. They're good though. These are better than the Lucky Charms ones. Good. Wow. Wow. Too much cinnamon, I guess. Good cinnamon flavor. Cookies nice and soft. Really good. 8 out of 10. Yep. Get these. You don't need to get the Lucky Charms. Well, that's it for tonight. Come back again for another food review.
Make sure to like, subscribe, comment, and share, bruh.